Hi guys, today you're not going to be able to see my face, but you are going to be able to see these boxes that we're going to open. So these are the Birds of Prey. It's a vinyl figure, so it's a mystery minis. As you can see, I have 4, and these are available supposedly only at GameStop, but I purchased these 4 in Think Geek. So if you want to get your hands on this, the Birds of Prey, obviously it's Harley Quinn, it says, and the fantabulous emancipation of one Harley Quinn. Here we go. So if you want to get your hands on these, you are able to in GameStop, and as well they're selling them in Think Geek. So since it says here only at GameStop, it's not only at GameStop because I bought it today in Think Geek store. So here we go. So the packaging looks a little bit glary, maybe because of the plastic, but these are the mystery minis. So today we're gonna open 4, and we're gonna see what do we get. So basically, there's 2 exclusives. So we have a flocked, and it looks like the dog. I don't know the names of these, but do they even say the names? No. But there we go. We have 2 exclusives. So we have the flocked little dog here, and then we have another exclusive. So like I said, I don't know the names. I picked them up because they look very cool, and I wanted to open it together with you guys, and let's see what we have inside. Hopefully we don't have doubles. Hopefully we are lucky to get maybe the exclusive one. Let's find out. So here we go. Let me move this over so you guys are going to be able to see. I'm struggling myself to open this. It comes in a pretty big box. So now we're going to open this. Let's see what we got in here. Let's see. Oh, cool. We have this nice figurine. She has a bat. She looks very, very, very cool. She looks like she's ready to go beat up someone like, bah, bah, bah. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, there we go. We have this girl. I don't know their names, so yeah. So this one, let's see in the box. Let me see. This one, it's 1 out of 6. Okay. Okay. So basically 1 out of 6 times we can, like 6 times we can get her or something like that. There we go. I don't know. So we have this one. Let's put her to the side actually because she ain't gonna stand. Alright, let's open our second box. Oh, cool. Yay. It's someone with a born art. Like I said, I don't know their name. He looks very cute. No, wait. It's a she or he? Sorry, it's a she. She looks very cool. She has her bow and arrow there. Really, really cute. Nope, it's not the exclusive. It's 1 out of 6 as well. She reminds me of Daryl from The Walking Dead because of that bow and arrow. Really cool. She has a mean face. Alright, let's go to the next one. So this is our third box. Let's see. I'll be so hyped if we get an exclusive. Yay! Nope, she's not with a hammer, but we got this nice, beautiful Harley Quinn. She's wearing that, I don't know what that jacket is called. But look at her, she's very nice and detailed. The colors are very cool and vibrant. See? Look at her earrings, it looks so cool. Look at her face. Very, very cool. So that's our third one. Hopefully she doesn't fall. Stay there, Harlequin. Now we're up to our fourth box. I think I should have gotten more, but I've gotten 4 for now to see. Oh, I forgot to tell you, the Harley Quinn is 1 out of 6. I want the one that she has a hammer, or if not, like I said, the exclusive one. Okay, so we have another person here. She looks very cool. I hope it's a she. Sorry, but to me it looks like a she. Yes, it is a she. Nice ponytail. There we go. So these are the 4 that we got from the mystery. So here's 2 actually. So this is our 4 that we got. So as you can see, these are the 4 that we got in those mystery boxes, the mystery minis. Very, very cool. So these are the 4 figurines that we got in the mystery boxes. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be coming up with more videos of opening mystery, blind bags, or boxes, and reviews, of course. Thank you. Bye. See you in the next one.